Not so much that. Spaghetti steaks.
You're not getting.
No, you won't be able to get anything done.
Which Kyle does not regret.
I like the Mr. Potato Head.
And I called them because I talked to that they want to film him getting it done.
Are you ready, man?
You turn the sound off. This is going to scream terrible. Are you?
Wendy. I don't think I want to be over.
No, I don't think you're not getting anything done. We have the video permission from your mother. That was somebody getting their nipples pierced. Yeah. It's Charlie looking. Say it, Eric. Say it's go time.
It's go time.
It's go time.
Wait, somebody's in there.
All right, let's go sit down time.
What happened?
We're still waiting. It's not go time. It's go time.
Oh, they even got a couch.
Oh man.
Front row seats to Eric's pain.
I'll sit down too for it.
Painful thing I've ever been to. That's too funny.
That's probably encouraging. I'm probably gonna cry.
Feeling nervous, Eric?
Alright, you want everyone in here?
Before? I got the before shot.
He's kidding. Stop. Grab time.
You should go over that way so you can see it.
Kyle, vacate your seat.
Just stand.
You're a jerk.
Oh my god, are you sure you want to do this?
I'm sure I'm not looking when it happens.
Put your feet together. And stand by your side, just look straight ahead. I'm just going to put dots in the corner.
You're gonna do it like really fast, or can I see how bad I like the first one? See if I still want to.
You don't worry about him passing out.
I won't pass out.
Well, yeah, scream.
Your heart's pounding a mile a minute now.
Tape it.
Yeah, try to relax. Deep breaths and stuff. It's not half as bad as you think it's going to be. Okay.
Well, that guy just told him it was the worst pain ever.
She's the expert, though.
We should all sing a song. Like, we all know the words to it. Jack Black. Everybody around the
Walk right up to the mirror. I just called you a wimp.
For me?
They said that you said it hurt so bad.
Well, it was
worst
probably
pain ever. I said,
the
he's
most
a
painful
wimp.
thing I ever did to myself, but it was worth every
You just
single
gotta
penny
read
of it. No, I just gotta do one for them. Doesn't hurt a lot more. But it was the best thing I ever done. It changed everything, you know what I mean?
You know what I mean?
Speech on my
I know you mean.
Am I gonna be standing up for this?
No. You like the spots? Good? Hop on the table.
Go ahead, lay down and do it that way. Oh god, this brings back such memories.
So glad I'm here with my camera.
It's like a doctor's office. You can literally see.
Give me the thumbs up, Eric. I had a Wait, what?
That's all you're worried about. Am I gonna bleed on my shirt? My watch. I'm taking my watch off.
I'll take it.
Wait,
It's digital.
Makes me feel comfortable.
So you're going to feel a pinch. It's just going to take a minute to line up the marks. Takes a little longer with nipples, especially guy nipples, because they're so small.
You don't have to get them cold or anything. Ooh. Ouch. Ah. Oh my god.
Put your arms right down by your side. And feel a really good pinch. Take a deep breath in. And release. How you doing, my friend?
In pain.
having sharp metal objects through your nipple.
I can tell.
You going for number 2?
Do it. Let's do this shit.
I didn't get a close up. I'm gonna get a close up of the nipple this time. Last time I was
It
on
just
your
felt
face.
like you just started pinching more.
Not that excruciatingly painful as you thought.
It hurts. Don't get me wrong. That's what hurts right there. I don't really feel this side anymore. First pinch.
Oh.
I don't know how I'm supposed to react to this.
Or another nipple or something.
Deep breath in and release.
No, her friend already has it.
Ow.
Friend's getting it.
This looks. Oh god.
There you go, dude.
Why does it get so blurry? Yeah.
Because I'm in pain.
The camera can feel your pain.
How was it?
It tickled.
I know, right?
It made him laugh.
Someone's telling me that you make when she's massaging.
Oh man.
Felt it.
You just keep going like that.
Hurts.
That's. I think this is probably the worst part for me is putting the ball in. There.
Did I even bleed?
No. That was my little punum.
You know you're paying for all of this stuff.
I told you I'd get even with you one of these days.
I don't care as long as I want.
Your father just walked in.
He's here to get his nipples pierced.
She came to get stuff.
It's gonna get a. What was it?
He's gonna get a Holy Susan. How did you mess that up?
Don't forget moral support, huh?
Next stop.
And you're gonna be in here with
Prince Albert. My God. I would not film that.
Enjoy that?
I can drive.
He's all shaky. Well, you're making me nervous.
Only because I got a needle going through my nipple.
Well, you asked for it.
Okay, let's tug on.
I feel kind of numb now.
I think I can understand that.
Well, they look cool. How did it feel?
I wouldn't know.
I hope you don't want to touch things out.
I got a concert on me right now. All set?
Yep.
Pretty sure nobody wants to see
Watch
this.
out, guys.
You feel dizzy, lightheaded? Are you okay?
Yeah.
My stomach.
Feel ready to
Easy.
run.
Huh?
You don't have any.
They left. There, that picture's going on MySpace.
Oh, I got the video on my screen.
Oh. Alright, everybody out.
No, we're filming there.
No. I don't want anybody because I might cry. You can still
Leave the
meet
camera.
after.
I hear you're not gonna wear. Oh my God. You're the man. How did that feel?
It felt good. I enjoyed it.